How to disable MPO in Windows 11. So let's get started. Step 1. Right-click the Start menu and select Run. In the Run box, type regedit and click OK to open the registry editor. Step 2. Before making any changes, click File in the top left corner, then choose Export to back up your registry in case you need to restore it later. Step 3. Now navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, DWM. Step 4. Right-click the DWM key, select New DWM 32-bit value, and name it Overlay Test Mode. Step 5. Double-click on Overlay Test Mode and set the value data to 00000005. Click OK, then close the registry editor. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 6. Optional. If you face any issues or want to re-enable MPO, go back to the same location, right-click Overlay Test Mode, select Delete, confirm it, and restart your PC again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.